market. There's Intel shares not up today. That's one of the stocks we're going to talk about. The company revealing, Weiss, a $7 billion operating loss in the foundry business. You own this stock.
I do. Look, I mean, the story on the foundry is not about today. The story on the foundry is the back half of the year, and that's why it's holding up reasonably well. So with ASML...
You think it could be down worse than 7.5%?
Generally, when you report that kind of loss on a company that just has reported a lot of losses, missed a lot of numbers, like repeatedly, I would think people would throw their hands up, and the stock could have easily been at 35 today as this. But people are starting to get to know the story. And by the way, it's not cheap on the numbers today and even on the numbers for 25, but those numbers will go up. Because as you get to the second half of this year, particularly the fourth quarter, you'll see the foundry business start doing a lot better as they make chips that can compete with NVIDIA. So that's why I own it as a companion stock, really an ASML. So look, it's a painful day.
This caught your eye too. You don't own it, but the price action has.
Yeah, I expect to see this way worse. We've seen Intel really do nothing but disappoint on this fab business, really, I don't know, 6 or 7 years now. But here's the thing. It is absolutely essential that somebody in North America starts standing up fabs and find a way to profitability. It's never going to be a great business. It's never going to be like designing chips or selling advanced lithography. Nobody expects that. But if Intel is talking about 2027 and the market is saying, all right, let's take 7% off, but that's it, $38 looks like support, at least in recent times. That was a breakout. That should now serve as support. So I'm going to watch to see if on this disappointment, the stock can hold 38. And if it can for a few days, I'm going to take a second look as a long idea because I think Intel is really making something very unique here out of this fab idea. And no other publicly traded company in the United States will be able to say that they can do what's being built right now.
All right, interesting take. You keep us up to date there. Taiwan Semi, too, Weiss, is in the news today because of that strong earthquake in Taiwan, the strongest in some 25 years. You have some talking about, supply chain, minor impacts. That seems to be the overall tone from the analyst notes that I've read. You own this, too?
I do own it, and this one is a very large position, and it's done pretty well. I mean, it was always ignored. My biggest concern with Taiwan Semi is not the fundamentals. We heard Jensen Huang come out and say, if only I can get enough capacity from Taiwan Semi. It's really the China exposure because, what you see in the headlines, China, they want to invade Taiwan maybe, et cetera, et cetera. Like Taiwan Semi has some significant facilities in China. So that, to me, is the risk on any story that's in China. But overall, it's still pretty reasonably priced. And guess what? They can't handle the orders that they get. So I really like this one. It's going to keep going.
All right, you want to talk booking holdings? Kerry, which you own, initiated a buy today at Riley, target 4,400.
Yeah, I think that's great. It's a stock we own, we like. I highlighted yesterday when I wrote my notes about what's going on in the market. This is a play on travel. And as we know, people are traveling more. The airlines are full. People are going all around the world. And the stock had a good year last year. It's still an inexpensive stock, trades below market multiple. And, the baby boomers are just traveling constantly. They're retiring. They're going to keep traveling. I know this for a fact. I'm one of them. So I think bookings is a great idea, and I'm glad that they put this recommendation on.